Here I've got Sharp D10, and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial number on the following device. So let's start with locating IMEI number through the secret code. So at first you have to open the phone dialer and then enter a secret code, which is *pound 06 pound. And as you can see, both IMEI numbers just popped up, and you can simply come along with them by using this code. Click on OK to go back, and now we will open serial and IMEI number through the settings. So at first you have to open list of all applications, then find and pick the settings. Here you have to scroll down to the very bottom of the list and open About Phone. Now scroll down a bit and open Status, where you will notice IMEI information. And here you can come along with both IMEI numbers, and on the previous window you can also check what your serial number is. And that will be all. This is how you can locate both unique numbers assigned to your device, to your Sharp. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.